122. Oh, hey everybody, it's me, Mr. Train. My friends over at the Cornell Lab of Ornithology and I have been investigating birds and their superpowers. And I've been inspired to develop my own super strength. We asked some of our birding buddies to tell us which one birding superpower they could possess if they had a choice. Let's see what they said.
I wish I could swim like a penguin. They're great swimmers. Penguins use their flippers to dive hundreds of feet below water and swim quickly.
Pow! What a great choice!
I wish I could fly and not in an airplane. I wish my fingers were feathers that air would pass through and lift me up into the sky.
Boom! Fantastic flight!
I wished I could have the superpower of seeing ultraviolet light. Imagine all the colors I could see. That would be an amazing superpower.
UV, you see?
I wish I had the superpower to be able to blend into my environment using camouflage. And this way, no one would know where I am and I could almost be invisible.
Those are all pretty powerful choices. There's so much to learn about birds and their magnificent methods for thriving in this world. So take some time to take a deep dive into their super strategies and decide which superpower is your favorite. Till next time, keep your eyes to the skies. 323.
Lessons learning, Mr. Beyond nature training better. We are learning words and birding lessons, love and wonder turning nature better when we're learning wording, birding lessons learning. Mr. Train's life lessons for better birding and beyond.